Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about advanced cyber security lab. First experiment is password cracking. Here is a PDF file called crackit.pdf. This PDF file is password protected. We have to unlock this PDF. Here it is asking PDF. Let us try with some random password. No, it's not opening. Now let us learn how we can crack the password of this PDF file. First go to the terminal. I would like to explain how terminal will work basically. It will help us to understand how will terminal work. Okay. First we have to be familiar with the file system of Kali Linux. There are some basic commands such as ls. ls means list out all the files and directories in the particular folder. Next pwd. Pwd stands for present working directory. It will show which directory we are now. cd means change directory. After cd we have to specify which directory we have to go in. There are several directories, for example download, desktop, music, pictures, public, etc. Now we are going here to root directory. Root directory means slash. Now we are in root directory. Let us see what are items in the root directory. By doing with ls command, open ls. Now we can see that there are several directories. Now we have to get a file named raku.txt. Its file path is cd user share word list. After coming to this path, type ls. Now we can see here raku.txt. I have extracted the zip file and it's now is raku.txt. But if we want to extract the PDF file, we have to use gunzip. If you don't see here raku.txt, but instead of raku.txt you see raku.txt.gz, extract this zip file using gunzip. Type this command gunzip raku.txt.gz and enter command. It's showing error here because I don't have a zip file here. I have already extracted the zip file here, before. Next open ls command. Presently we are in okay. cd2 downloads. Now I have typed in DOW. If I type tab, it will auto complete it. Now I type ls. It will list out all the items in there. For my first step, I want to get hash of the crackit.pdf file. Now we can get the hash of crackit.pdf file by pdf to John. Now the file we have to get the hash of the PDF. Okay, crack crackit.pdf greater than. What will this greater than symbol will use is it will store the hash of this PDF file in a particular text file, hash.txt. Now if we do ls here, we can see new extra file hash.txt here. Means The hash of the crackit.pdf file is stored in hash.txt file. Now let us open the hash.txt file to reconfirm it's working. We can open it by cat command jhash.txt. Now we can see the hash of the file here. Here is something random letters we cannot read. Now we got the hash of the PDF file. Now we have to compare and brute force this file into John the Ripper and raku.txt. We can do that by john hyphen list is equal to user share lists raku.txt, and next we have to give the file in which we have stored the hash. In this case I have given the name hash.txt. You can give what the file you have stored in the hash file, hash.txt. Now we get a classic error. Using default input encoded UTF-5 loaded on password hash means previously I have tried this approach and I have got the password. That's why this is showing error. I will show how to clear this error. Copy this command rm /john.john/john.pod. rm tilt slash go slash now let us try this again. Now we have got the password 123. Let us reconfirm. Will this password will able to open the password protected PDF file? Let us go to the file system, home, downloads, crackit.pdf. What was the password? Password was password 123. Let us try here. password 123. Voila, we have cracked the password of this file. I will briefly explain this in. First we have to go to the root folder, user, shared, word list. We have to type ls command there. Then if we see raku.txt, we should use gunzip space raku.txt.gz. Then it will extract the zip file into normal text file. It will be named raku.txt. Then we can do further process. Then password protector file. To get the hash of the password protected file, we have to use pdf to John. It's a Python file. By running this script, we will get the extract of the hash file. That hash file can be stored in a particular text file and it can be used later. Now second experiment of advanced cybersecurity lab, cross-site scripting. What is cross-site scripting? In cross-site scripting, attacker will inject some malicious JavaScript into the victim's web browser to execute some actions. Let us see What are the types of cross-site scripting? There are mainly three types of cross-site scripting: stored accesses, reflected accesses, DOM-based accesses. In this experiment, we are mainly focusing on reflected and stored accesses. Now let us move to the practical. Let us know about the DVWA. What is DVWA? In this experiment, we are going to use DVWA. DVWA stands for Dam Vulnerable Web Application. It is a application that is designed to educate and training purposes. Let us restart our virtual machine. Here go and search DVWA. We can see option here, start DVWA. Click here, type password. Now it will open DVWA. Here sometime we see a login page. I have directly come here. Something like this. Here you have to type admin, and in the place of password you have to type password. Now we are going to first perform reflected accesses, then we are later moving to the stored accesses. Now we can see security level here. It is set to impossible. Go to DVWA security, go here, set the security to low and submit it. After setting the security level to low, here we can see that security level has set to the low. Then go to the reflected accesses. In the place of what is your name, type here the script, JavaScript that will execute some commands. Open bracket, script, close, alert, bracket open, cracked. No, not this one. After typing the script, submit here. Now we can see here a pop-up cracked. Now we have cracked the low security. Now go to DVWA security, go to security level, set it to medium, submit here, go to reflected accesses. Now type the script. Now submit here. Now we have successfully cracked the medium level security of reflected accesses. Type it OK. Next move on to the high level security of DVWA. Now go to the reflected accesses, type in here image slash src slash 1 error equals to now let me recheck the command. Image slash scr slash one error prompt equals to crack. Now submit it. Now we have we can give message here hacked. Okay, it will reflect. Now it has successfully cracked the high level security of DVWA in reflected. Now let us move to the stored accesses. In stored accesses we have two commands. For low and medium level we don't have for high level security. To perform stored accesses, first we have to right click it and go to the inspector tab and click it a pointer here, then select this small tiny box where it says name, go here and type on this box. Then in the inspector tab we can see that size is 30 and max length is 10. Make both them to 100. Okay, now we can see here the length of the boxes has been increased, so we can perform the commands here. So I have set security level to high. I have to reset the security level to low. Let us reperform it. Low, submit it. Stored accesses, go to inspector tab, go to pointer here, select the box, type on the box, go here, set the size to 100 and max length to 100. Now the box size has been increased. Let us try the stored accesses command. For low security the command is script alert document dot cookie bracket close slash script. After this give some random message here, hi, hello, then type on sign in guestbook. Here we got a pop-up called it is a cookie, the security level is low, then okay, this low security is done. Now let us set the security level to medium. DVWA security level, set it to medium, submit. Let's go to the stored accesses. The problem of stored accesses is the command is stored in the web browser. Then every time we visit the stored accesses, it will pop up. Okay, let us try it. Let me show again. It has again popped up. To solve this problem, go to the setup, reset database and reset database. Now if we move to the stored accesses, it will not pop up. Then the security level is set to medium. Okay, let us reperform the same steps. Inspector box, type on the box. Okay, set box length to 100. Okay, max length to 100. Okay, now let us type the script. Image slash src, this command basically. Type a message here. Sign in the guest book. Now we can see here pop up cracked. Give something random, separate. Okay, now we can see that we have successfully cracked the medium level of DVW security. Now let us move to the third experiment, file upload vulnerabilities. In file upload vulnerabilities, we use we use tools such as DVWA, burpsuit, and vulnerable web application. Let us move to the kernel Linux, and I will show how to set up for third experiment. First, go to the Firefox, then open up new tab, type here Foxy proxy. Click the first link and click here on add to Firefox, then add it. Okay, okay, Foxy proxy is successfully added to our extensions in Firefox. Now go to this, search burpsuit, open it, set the project to set the temporary project in memory, use burp default. It will open up burpsuit. On the top corner, go here to proxies. Here below, go to the proxy settings, type here. Now we can see here proxy default gateway and default port number. 127.0.0.1 is default IP address, 8080 is default port. Now let us visit back to the Foxy proxy, go to extension, here type on option, go to proxies, here a option called add, type on it. We are setting up this proxy for burpsuit, so I am going to name it burpsuit. Okay, host name we are going to give the IP address of this burpsuit. It is 127.0.0.1 and port number is 8080. 127.0.0.1, port number is 8080. Now let us save this. Okay, it has been saved. Now go to Foxy proxy. Now Foxy proxy is disabled. Now we want to move our traffic to burpsuit, so click on it. Here we can see small icon saying burpsuit, and it is showing the IP address and default port number. Okay, now come here, now go here, type on http://burpsuit, type here. Here we can see ACA certificate button is showing. Okay, click on it. It will automatically download a file. Okay, it has been downloaded in the my downloads folder. I have downloaded it twice. I will remove the one file. Okay, basically this file is the CA file, CA certificate file. Go to settings, search on certificates, click on view certificate, on right top corner authorities, go here import. Now select CA certificate. Now then click open. I have already done this, I don't need to do it again. Okay, close this all tabs, come here, it is set on burpsuit. Okay, go to the burpsuit. Okay, here turn on the interception, go to the Firefox, type anything, Now we will see the any request that has made in the Firefox is reflected in the burp suite, means every traffic is going through the burp suite. Now we can, if we see, it has not been loaded. If I forward these packets, I will see result. Okay, another request. Hi. Okay, it's sending some request. Let me forward it. Okay, I have got the response here. Means basically it will intercept every traffic that is going through the browser. Then I can select individual traffic and move it forward or backward. Hello. To get local host network going through the website, open a new tab, type about .config. Okay, accept the risk and continue. Type here network.proxy. Here second option, network.proxy.allow hijacking localhost. It should be true. If it is not true, click on it, it will become true. I have turned on it to true. Okay, next we'll continue with the further steps of this experiment. Okay, third experiment, file upload vulnerability. Copy this command, open terminal, go to desktop, create a new file by using nano new.php. okay, paste the command here. Okay, type Ctrl X, enter, Ctrl Y, enter. Now if we list out files, we can see new.php. A new file is created here. This file is created here. To see what is inside this file, we can use cat new.php. Okay, cat new.php. Okay, this command is stored inside the php file. Okay, let us go to this start dbwa. Here it will ask password, type password. It will open up dbwa. Go to dbwa security, set the security to medium, submit it. Now open burp suite, open it. Next, burp default, next. Okay, minimize proxy. Now intercept is off. Go to Firefox, go to the file upload. Here type on browse. I have saved my PHP file in desktop. Here desktop, I am going to desktop, selecting new.php, click on open. Okay, come here to Firefox, come here to Foxy Proxy, select burp suite. Okay, then go to the burp suite. Here toggle this button. It will intercept the every traffic that is going through the dbwa. Come to Firefox dbwa, then click on upload. Then we can see here the request to the upload button will forward request to the burp suite. Here come to the request, come to pt. Let us see, let us scroll down a little bit. Here we can see content type is application php. Change this to image and jpg. Here we have changed here image type to image/jpg. Okay, image/jpeg or jpg. Okay, it will work. Now forward the request. If we come to the Firefox, if we come to the dbwa, we can see that hackable a php file is uploaded successfully. Previously the php file was not accepting by the dbwa application. By this the third experiment is completed. For time being I am going to skip fifth experiment, man in the middle attack, as it requires two systems that are connected to the same network. Presently I don't have another system. I am moving forward to seventh experiment, session hijacking and fixation. First, session hijacking. An attacker steals victim's valid session id and uses it to impersonate the victim. Means if we got the session id of an victim, we can use that session id to pretend to be someone else. And another one is fixation technique where attacker steals session id controlled by the attacker to victims prior to victim authentication. Okay, let us move to the practical side of session hijacking and fixation. Okay, go to Kali, open up, start dbwa, give password. Okay, scroll down, go to security, set it to medium. Okay, set the security level to high. Okay, here type authentication bypass. We can log in using username, code knob and password abc. Okay, password the user, copy the username. To open new private window, type Ctrl Shift P. It will open up new private window. Go to previous section, copy URL up to here 2001, copy it. Okay, then paste the URL here. Then it will ask for username and password. Copy the username from here. Password is abc123. Okay, I will log in. Now right click, go to inspector, go to memory. No, okay, it will not show here. Okay, go to dbwa security. It is set to impossible. Reduce it to high security. Submit it. Now go to inspector window, go to storage. Here we can see the session id, copy it. Okay, in this private window the user is this. Now move to the normal window. Here we can see that the user is admin. Okay, now right click, go to inspect, go to storage. Here session id is different. delete the session id and replace the session id with which has higher privileges. Okay. Okay, after changing the session id, just reload it once. It is saying unauthorized. Okay, now try it with medium security. Inspector, storage, session id. Okay. Okay, here we can see that the username has been changed. In it is normal window, it is ground, and in incognito window also it is ground. So the seventh experiment is completed.